but you have to be careful, okay? Don't fly like a... Whee! Ready? Are you ready? Yeah, the flight is ready to fly to Mars. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! Look at it. She gonna go soon. She loves fly in the wind. Yes, my God, she have some feathers. She have a new. I don't know. She have a new feathers, and that's a seal. Run, 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 run! Don't go there. Seagull is after her. I know! Oh my God. Look at her. I don't know! Come on! Oh my gosh. I don't know! The motherfucker is there. I don't know! Come on! Come, come! Come, Baba! She's there. Come, 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 come! I know! They are flying together. What the fuck? Look! Before Seagull were after her, no, Seagull was trying to fly with her. He was not that thing. You are flying with them and now you act like they're taking you? Huh? Huh? What was that? And what do you eat today?